I'm attorney Aaron Bortel, and my practice is focused exclusively on defending people who are charged with DWI, drunk driving offenses. For over 20 years, I've helped defend thousands of people charged with drunk driving, people who have, many of them, never been in trouble with the law before, good people, people with families, careers, and normal lives. First, people arrested for DUI come from all walks of life, all different types of careers. I'm helping out professionals. I'm helping out men and women, people who are teachers, lawyers, doctors, police officers, people who collect the trash. I'm helping out everybody, not usually hardened criminals, good people, people that really need help and really want help. And it's a frightening experience. It's a complex situation, and being able to help good people who really need help is rewarding to me. It's one of the reasons that I focus on DUI cases exclusively. Second, DUI cases are extremely complex. They involve the science of blood and breath tests, how alcohol and drugs interact with the human body, issues of absorption and elimination of alcohol and drugs in the human body. We're dealing with driver's license issues, driver's license suspensions, trying to keep people driving, trying to keep people working, trying to keep people from not losing their jobs. We have issues on searches, on seizures, and a lot more. It takes skill, knowledge, and a lot of dedication to this one area, this area of DUI law. After representing thousands of people in DUI cases, I found that many believe that it's just over, that life is over because they've been charged, that that's it. No, that's not the case. People may want to get it over with quickly, just go plead guilty. That's where I say no. I'm here to tell you that the difference between being arrested versus being convicted is night and day. And you've got to fight your case. You've got to see if you can win your case. And the only way that you're going to know that is with an experienced DUI lawyer. I can't tell you what my percentage of wins is, but I can tell you that more often than not, I'm able to help people come out of this situation better than they started. And the starting point being the point of arrest. This may mean a lower fine or no fine, no jail, no sheriff's work program or less, saving a driver's license, even dismissal of the case. Well, there have been so many times when people have come to me and it's already a second or a third DUI, and they tell me, I pled guilty to the first DUI because I thought it was not a big deal, and I just wanted to get it over with. And now they're facing much more serious fines, jail, suspension of the driver's license. Any DUI arrest, especially a first one, needs to be treated as serious and worth fighting to avoid a conviction. A very famous person in our history, a man named Abraham Lincoln, once said that a man who acts as his own attorney has a fool for a client. And yes, I agree with that. If I were charged with a DUI, I would not defend myself. I would be a fool to do so. Public defenders are for poor people, people who cannot afford an attorney, and people who do not. Most people don't qualify for public defenders. A lot of public defenders are good attorneys, but they have very high caseloads, and you don't get as much personal attention as you do with a good DUI lawyer. And you don't get to choose which public defender you get. In California, public defenders are not allowed to handle the non-criminal, the administrative part of your DUI case. That's the DMV hearing, the admin per se case. And so trying to save your license on the civil end of this is something a public defender cannot do. You would be on your own for that, and you only have 10 days to request that hearing from the date of your arrest. I'm going to provide you with personal, private, and skilled representation. When someone hires me, they get me. I'm the person that they will have their initial consultation with over the phone and hopefully in person at some point, if not right away. I'm the person who's going to request the DMV hearing for you. I'm the person who's going to set the date and arrange which hearing officer we have. I'm the person who's going to go to all your court appearances and update you. I'm the person who you're going to have the email for, the email address, the cell phone number, the contact information. I'm the person who's going to have the file in my possession, and when you contact me, I'm not going to need to check with another lawyer to see what's going on with your case, because I'm going to know your case inside and out. So that's very important to have one attorney, one private attorney handling your case every step of the way. And then once your case is over, I'm going to be there for any and all questions that you have in the future. So what's going to happen when you call me is we're going to talk about what happened with your case. You're going to be treated with respect. You're not going to be judged because you've got a DUI. You're not going to be looked at as a bad person. We're going to get back to you as quickly as possible if you don't reach me directly. And if I'm in a meeting or in court, you can always leave me a message or send me a text, and I get back to you as quick as possible. I think it's extremely important to treat all of my clients like family members. You are entrusting in me your future, your rights, your liberty. And someone who does that is going to be treated by me with the utmost respect. Absolutely. I'm not allowed to share your information with anyone. Anything you tell me is confidential, 100% confidential. It will not be shared with anyone unless you authorize it. For folks who want to get more information about their DUI charges before they call, I've prepared a series of informative articles you can access by clicking on the DUI information tab above. The most direct way to reach me the first time is just call my office, and there's a number of numbers you can call: 415-247-0700 or 888-373-8000. That will usually get someone who can contact me, leave a message for me. They will, I will get an email and a text message from them, and I will call you back as soon as possible. That's a good way to try and reach me after hours. Once you've hired me, or once we start talking, I give out my cell phone number. You'll be able to text me directly on that and try and reach me directly on that. And I do answer calls late into the evenings and on weekends. I'm very reachable, and my clients always appreciate that. If you'd rather email me, you can go ahead and use the Contact Us form on this website, or email me at abortellaw@gmail.com. I have different offices. The office I'm in most is in San Francisco. That address is 650 5th Street, Suite 508, San Francisco, California, 94107. You take the elevator to the top floor. I'm at the end of the hall in Suite 508. Just knock on the door. I've also got a office in San Rafael and Marin County and a satellite office in Oakland as well. So I can be reached or met with in a number of locations, and I can usually meet with someone, if not the day you call, within a day or two at the longest. Look forward to hearing from you. Please feel free to give me a call anytime. You've got my numbers. You've got my email. I'm here for you. I'm here to help, and I look forward to hearing from you.